What's up, guys? I got the camera ready, and this trail behind us has a special bird on it, and we're gonna go see if we can find it. Let's go. It was a nice breeze this morning, but it's making it a little chilly, especially for middle of May here in Missouri. I got the Merlin bird app going right now, trying to hear some birds. So far, not having any luck. There's a spider right here. Get a photo of him. Love getting little stuff like that. I think eventually we're gonna get a macro lens and do some macro photography on this channel as well. Cardinal. It's cool. Alright, so just down this hill here is where our special bird has been seen. But I'm gonna go to the left here to check this little trail out here. We'll probably go a couple hundred feet and then we'll head back and we'll try to get our special bird. Oh, nuthatch. Cool. That's a neat picture. Well, I don't know, guys. There's not really a whole lot going on. There's a peewee over here. I think we'll just head back. Well, this is the area. I head down a little farther here in the middle. I don't hear anything yet. Hope he didn't leave. Man, I don't hear him at all. Yikes. Did you guys hear that boom? Good God. Dude, he's here. He's over here to our right. There he is. Oh, there he goes. Oh. that photo, guys. The Kentucky warbler. Oh man, brilliant.